Having trouble with the Call of Duty app crashing or not opening on your iPhone? No worries, I've got you covered. Here is a comprehensive guide to help you fix the Call of Duty app issues after a recent update. Let's dive right in. Solution 1. Clear storage and offload the Call of Duty app. Open the Settings app, then scroll down a bit and tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone storage. Find the Call of Duty app and tap on it. Then, tap on Offload app. Tap Offload app again to confirm. Reinstall the game, close Settings, and check if the problem is fixed. If the issue persists, open Settings again. Scroll down and tap on General once more. Tap on iPhone storage. Ensure you have more than 10 GB of free storage. If you don't have enough free storage, remove unwanted apps or games. Solution 2. Update the Call of Duty game. Open the App Store, then search for Call of Duty. If an update is available, tap on Update. After updating, open Call of Duty and see if the issue is resolved. If not, move on to the next solution. Solution 3. Turn off background app refresh. To do this, open Settings. Then scroll down and tap on General. Next, tap on Background App Refresh. Tap on Background App Refresh at the top. Select Off. This should fix the crashing issue. And that's how you can solve the crashing problem with the Call of Duty game. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching.